Hello everybody, we have Mr. Romil over here with us. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. Tell me.
Yeah. So how has been your journey with ASIRT? How long you have been a member?
So I have been a member since last 10 years.
Oh wow, so
Yeah,
you would be there from I think initial days of
from
ASIRT.
very initial days. But to be very frank, not very active. Yes, on and off we were doing it. But in last 6 months we've been very active in the group,
So
attending the
why
events.
being active is important at ASIRT?
Ideally, we ourselves have understood that okay, we need to do something different, collaborate with our partners, and work, take ideas of what they have. Earlier also we were doing it, but not
But
in a
not in
manner,
such a way.
yeah, not in a manner that we are doing it right
And
now.
how it is just 6 months of paying attention and doing things actively, how it has helped you?
It has helped a lot. So, with reference to one of our certain members, we worked out with an agency who is helping us set up process, systems, and structure in our organization,
Oh wow.
and rechanging our business model as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So some
So,
strategic differences.
strategic differences. It is not only products that you
Yeah,
collaborate
yeah,
with,
yeah. It's not
but it
about
is
money and business only.
yes, but
It's
how
about
you
overall development.
yes how you work, because that changes the culture again in our organization as well, right? So that is where when we talk sustainability, right, or scaling our businesses, that is where it is helping us, collaborating with partners at a certain.
That's great. That's great. And how you think that you would be able to contribute to this platform?
We would also be so similar way the advice that I have got, right? So our team, our partners would have, our colleagues would have more people who say that something like this is successful, right? And not only working towards products, but it is more towards strategizing things, and that is where business leaders should be, right?
True.
Because we see most of our business leaders, or all of us, getting more into operations as a part of our business. But to get away from it, it's like you work as a catalyst and not as a cattle.
That was a great comment. Thank you so much for your time and looking forward to have you really actively involved in this community.
Sure.
Yeah,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you.